Meaning of flat panel.
Flat panel.
Flat panel.
Flat panel.
Flat panel. The term flat panel refers to a type of display technology that has a thin, flat design and does not have the bulky depth of older technology like CRT displays. These displays are typically used in devices such as televisions, computer monitors, and mobile devices. Flat panel displays come in two main types, LCD and OLED. They offer a high-quality viewing experience with vibrant colors and sharp images. Additionally, they consume less power than traditional displays and are more environmentally friendly. Overall, flat panel displays are a significant advancement in display technology.